Hello and welcome to another video from flashcardsforkindergarten.com. In this video, I'm going to introduce the forest flashcards. The forest flashcards are made up of 20 different animal flashcards. Also included with the flashcards is the forest background. The forest background can be used to teach such things as animal food chains, such as a frog eats bugs and an owl eats a frog. Feel free to print the cards at any size you wish, as well as printing an extra large background to fit all the animals. If you like the flashcards seen in this video and would like to download them as well as hundreds of other free flashcards and free teaching materials, please visit flashcardsforkindergarten.com. Thank you.